Hello everybody, my name is Zainab and thank you for 30 subscribers. I'm very happy, thank you. And I will tell you about my Rubik's Cube. I can solve all sides, here, everywhere. I can solve for 3 minutes and let's go. I've been solving a Rubik's Cube for 7 years. When I was 7, my mom bought this Rubik's Cube. I was really happy, and when I was at home, I watched on YouTube how to solve, and I can solve it. And one time, when I was at 4 to class, I take my Rubik's Cube to cheer up my friends, and my teacher was on shock. The side was already like this. Okay. Like this. So this is my shirt. Do you like it? If you like it, please subscribe and like, please. Yeah, this like this. It's almost done. And if you're in shock, please subscribe and like.